In the vast and varied tapestry of our natural world, there are, honestly, very few spectacles as breathtaking as the plumage of a bird. For millions of years, evolution has painted these creatures with the most extraordinary palette imaginable, transforming them into living jewels that flit and soar through forests, across savannas, and over mountains. Their colors are not just decoration. They're a language of survival, a signal to a mate, a warning to a rival, and sometimes a camouflage against a predator. They really are a testament to the sheer, unbridled artistry of life itself, a vibrant expression of biodiversity in its most dazzling form. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey across the globe as we count down the 10 most colorful birds in the world. This isn't simply a list, but a celebration of nature's masterpieces. We'll travel from the dense, humid rainforests of the Amazon to the sun-drenched plains of Africa, and from the ancient woodlands of East Asia to the cloud forests of Central America. Each bird we encounter is a marvel of biological design, a unique combination of form, function, and astonishing beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by feathers that shimmer with iridescent light, by patterns so intricate they almost defy belief, and by colors so vivid they seem to leap from another world. We'll explore not only what makes these birds so visually stunning, but also the fascinating stories behind their appearance and the intricate details of the habitats they call home. So, let's begin our exploration into this vibrant avian kingdom, where every flutter of a wing reveals a new splash of color. Our journey begins in the emerald heart of Central and South America, beneath the sprawling canopy of the rainforest. Here, amidst the cacophony of life, a flash of brilliant crimson cuts through the green. This is the scarlet macaw, a bird so vibrant it appears to be a fragment of the sunset taken flight. Its plumage is a startling declaration of its presence. A fiery red body, wings splashed with sunny yellow, and tipped with the deepest azure blue. These are not just birds, they are flying rainbows, social and intelligent creatures that often mate for life, forming bonds that can last for decades. They are an iconic symbol of the tropical wilderness, their raucous calls echoing through the trees. These magnificent parrots are perfectly adapted to their arboreal home. Their powerful hooked beaks are formidable tools, capable of cracking open the toughest nuts and seeds that the forest provides. They nest high in the cavities of ancient trees, raising their young in the relative safety of the canopy. To see a flock of scarlet macaws soaring over the Amazon River is to witness one of nature's most spectacular displays, a living, breathing river of color flowing against a backdrop of endless green. Their very existence is intertwined with the health of these vital forests, a vivid reminder of the beauty we stand to lose. We travel now to the forests and grasslands of the Indian subcontinent, home to a bird synonymous with opulence and grandeur. The peacock, or more accurately, the Indian peafowl. The male is a vision of majestic beauty, but it is his train that truly captivates. This is not his tail, but a set of enormously elongated upper tail covert feathers. Each one is a masterpiece, adorned with an iridescent ocellus or eye spot that shimmers with mesmerizing shades of sapphire, bronze, and emerald in the shifting light. This spectacular adornment, which can stretch for over 1.5 meters, is an advertisement of the male's genetic fitness. When the time comes to court a female, the peahen, the male engages in one of nature's most famous performances. He raises his train into a magnificent fan, a shimmering wall of color and pattern. He quivers and shakes, causing the feathers to rustle like the leaves of a forest, and the eye spots to dance and flash hypnotically. It is a display of pure theater, a spectacle designed to overwhelm the senses of the discerning female. She will choose her mate based on the size, color, and quality of his train, ensuring that only the strongest and most vibrant genes are passed on to the next generation. High in the mist-shrouded cloud forests of Central America lives a bird of almost mythical status, the resplendent quetzal. Its very name, derived from the Aztec word for precious, hints at its cultural significance. For centuries, it was revered as a divine creature, its feathers more valuable than gold. To look upon a male quetzal is to understand why. Its body is a dazzling iridescent green that shifts in the light, while its chest is a deep velvety crimson. It is a breathtaking contrast, a living gem hidden amongst the moss-draped branches and giant ferns of its high-altitude home. But the male's most defining feature is his extraordinary tail streamers. These twin feathers, a cascade of shimmering green, can grow up to a meter in length, trailing behind him like a silken train as he flies. During the breeding season, the male performs a spectacular aerial display, swooping and rising through the forest clearings to attract a mate. Finding a suitable nest is a joint effort, as the pair use their beaks to carve out a home in a decaying tree trunk, a chamber just large enough to protect their precious eggs from the mountain chill and ever-present predators. Our journey now takes us to the woodlands and coastal plains of Australia, a land of unique and wonderful creatures. Here, we find a bird that lives up to its name in the most spectacular fashion, the rainbow lorikeet. It's almost as if a painter, in a fit of joyous abandon, has splashed every color of the spectrum onto a single small parrot. With a deep blue head, a greenish-yellow collar, a vibrant orange and red breast, and a body of brilliant green, it's really a walking, squawking, and utterly charming kaleidoscope. You know, they're rarely seen alone, preferring to travel in large, noisy flocks. These birds aren't seed eaters like many other parrots. Instead, they have a specialized tongue, tipped with a fine brush, perfectly designed for feeding on nectar and pollen from flowers. This diet fuels their high-energy lifestyle. Rainbow lorikeets are renowned for their playful and often mischievous personalities. They can be seen chasing each other through the treetops, hanging upside down from branches and chattering incessantly. Their boundless energy and dazzling colors bring a unique vibrancy to the Australian bush, serving as a constant, cheerful reminder of nature's more flamboyant side. We travel to the temperate forests of East Asia, to the ponds and lakes of China, Japan, and Siberia. Here, gliding silently across the water, is a bird of such intricate and ornate beauty, it seems almost unreal. This is the mandarin duck. While the female is a subtle study in gray and brown, the male, or drake, is a masterpiece of natural art. His plumage is a complex mosaic of colors and shapes. He boasts a red bill, a large white crescent above the eye, a purple breast, and flanks of ruddy gold. It's a stunningly complex and harmonious arrangement. Perhaps his most extraordinary features are the two orange sails that stand upright on his back. These aren't wings, but modified inner wing feathers, used for nothing more than display. They serve no purpose in flight or insulation. They are purely for show, a testament to the power of sexual selection. These ducks are symbols of love and fidelity in East Asian culture, often depicted in pairs, as they are believed to mate for life. Watching a male mandarin duck in all his finery, preening by a tranquil pond, is like looking at a living piece of Oriental art.